Did you know that Rome isn't just one of the most visited cities in the world, but it has more fountains than any other city on earth, over 1,500 of them. That's more water features than your average Las Vegas hotel, but with 10 times the charm. Now imagine this. You are walking down a cobblestone alleyway, espresso in your hand, and boom, you are face to face with a 2,000-year-old rain. A guy in a Vespa nearly runs you over. Welcome to Rome, baby. Whether you are into ancient history, epic food, nightlife that lasts till dawn, or snapping the perfect grand pictures, this city has it all. But Rome can also overwhelm you faster than a double shot of grandpa on an empty stomach. So buckle up. In this video, we are counting down 15 epic things to do in Rome that will turn your Roman holiday into a full-blown adventure. We've got secret spots, legendary eats, and yes, a few tourist traps to dodge as well. Smash that like button, subscribe if you crave travel videos that mix fun with facts, and stay till the end for some Rome hacks that will save you euros and headaches. Let's go! The first stop is the Colosseum. You've seen it in movies, video games, and maybe even Assassin's Creed. But seeing it in real life, you get goosebumps. This ancient amphitheater held up to 80,000 screaming Romans, watching gladiators battle lions, criminals, and each other. Basically, ancient UFC with way fewer rules. At the Colosseum, expect massive crowds and long lines. Remember, over 7 million tourists visit per year. So if you show up at noon, good luck getting in before dinner. Also, it's hot. I'm talking about sweat through your travel shirt before 10 a.m. hot. Gladiators had no AC, neither do you. So my tip is you book a skip the line ticket or a night tour. Yes, it's open at night as well and it's epic plus fewer selfies to dodge. Number 2 is Trevi Fountain. Just make a wish there and avoid the splash. Legends say if you throw a coin into the Trevi Fountain, you will return to Rome. If that's true, I'm due for my 5th trip. This barbecue masterpiece pulls in over 3,000 euros a day in coins, donated to charity. So you are wishing and doing good at the same time. Don't forget it's one of the most crowded spots in Rome. That romantic photo you are dreaming of? Yeah, so is everyone else. So trying to get a solo shot here is like playing human Tetris with 200 other tourists. May the odds be ever in your favor. My advice to you is this. Go super early like sunrise or super late after midnight. Also, don't jump in. Seriously. You will get slapped with a 450 euro fine and go viral for the wrong reasons. Number 3 is the Vatican City, where art and afterlife collide. Ready for a spiritual and artistic overload? Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, but it packs more art per square meter than the Louvre on Espresso. Don't miss the Sistine Chapel. Yes, that's ceiling by Michelangelo. At St. Peter's Basilica, climb to the dome. Leg day unlocked. The challenging thing about this place is this. It has massive lines and strict dress code. And let's be real, it's sensory overload. Let's be real, by the time you reach the Sistine Chapel, your legs are jelly and you've said, wow, 237 times. Don't forget to buy a guided tour. Trust me, you will appreciate someone explaining why you are staring at a naked dude painted on the ceiling. Number 4 is Trastevere, the boho heartbeat of Rome. Think narrow cobble streets, ivy-covered building, and locals who actually live here. Trastevere is Rome's cool cousin who listens to vinyl and serves killer pasta. The problem is, it gets super packed at night, especially weekends, and it's easy to get lost in a place where street signs are optional. One wrong turn, and boom, you are in a back alley that looks like a renaissance of oil painting. Wander during the day and dine after dark. Try carbonara here is local religion. Number 5 is the Pantheon, the building that outlived empires. Imagine a building so perfectly engineered that it stood for nearly 2,000 years without reinforced concrete. That's the Pantheon for you. Basically the Beyoncé of Roman architecture. Iconic, flawless, and still stealing the spotlight. That's a fact. You see that dome? It's still the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. Oh, and it's got a hole in the middle. Rain? Yep, it falls right in. There are drains in the marble floor like it's the world classiest shower. Don't forget it's free entry, but that means line as well. Also, the piazza outside is a magnet for tourists trapped, charging $8 for an espresso. No, gracias. Remember, it's only time in your life you look up in a ceiling for 10 straight minutes without anyone judging you. Go early in the morning or close to closing time and don't miss the tomb of Raphael. Yeah, actual Renaissance dude, not the Ninja Turtle. Number 6 is Campo di Fiori, the morning market that turns into a party. By day, it's a colorful market buzzing with locals yelling about tomatoes. By night, it's a piazza of bars and cocktails where teens get, let's say, energetic. Recently, the market's authenticity has dropped. Some say it's too touristy now, but it's still lively and you will find killer sandwiches if you know where to look. It's the only place where you can buy a truffle, a fake Gucci belt, and a Negroni, all within 15 steps. For lunch, grab a sandwich from Fono Campo di Fiori. At night, just don't fall for bars offering special tourist cocktails. You will regret that neon-colored mystery drink. Number 7 is Roman Forum. Walk in Caesar's footstep. This was the heart of ancient Rome. Senators plotted here. Caesar walked here. People got stabbed here. Drama level, Shakespearean. The challenge is sprawling and sun exposed. You will get lost, sunburned, and overwhelmed at the same time. It's like walking through a broken Pinterest board. Columns here, marbles chunked there, and no idea what's what. Don't forget to download a self-guided audio tour or go with a guide. Trust me, pile of old rocks becomes way more interesting when you know someone died there. Number 8 is gelato hopping. Test across the city. Once you taste the real Roman gelato, your hometown ice cream will taste like sadness. The best flavors to try is the pistachio. If it's neon green, run. Stracciatella, hazelnut, seasonal fruit, and hello fig. Don't forget there are fake gelato everywhere loaded with fluff and chemicals. If the gelato looks like it could glow in the dark, it probably shouldn't be in your stomach. My advice is to stick to places with muted colors and steel containers. Try Gelateria de Tetro or Fata Morgana for the real deal. Number 9 is Testaccio, the foodie heaven the locals don't tell you about. Testaccio is where Roman cuisine was born. Forget tourist menus. This is the real belly of Rome. Literally, they used to process animal innards here. Yummy! You may accidentally order a plate of cow stomach or oxtail. It's delicious, but only if you are ready for it. Testaccio is where menus go from spaghetti to did I just eat a spleen? Don't forget to eat at Strapicino. It's like a pizza sandwich hybrid sent from the food gods. And check out Mercato Testaccio for food stalls with zero tourist markup. Number 10 is Gianicolo Hill, the view no one tells you about. Want a panoramic view of Rome without the crowds of the Spanish Steps or Victor Emmanuel? Head to Gianicolo Hill. It's like Rome's secret skybox. The challenge is, it's a bit of a hike to get there. Uber? Not really a thing in this part of Rome. It's one of the few places where you can hear your own thoughts and maybe some locals making out on a bench. My advice is go around noon. They fire a real cannon every day to mark the time. It's loud, it's random, it's Rome, baby. Number 11 is the Appian Way. Rent a bike and ride through time. This is one of the oldest roads in the world, used by Roman legions, and now by people trying not to crash their rental bikes into ancient ruins. The problem here is when you combine cobblestones plus cheap rental bikes, it's equals to saw everywhere. Your butt will hurt, your soul will sing. My advice is to rent from EcoBike, Appia Attica, and start early. Bring water also, helmet, unless you want a battle scar like a Roman soldier. Number 12 is Piazza Novana. Art, fountains, and cows. This is a place where Baroque beauty meets people watching heavens. Piazza Novana is all curves, fountains, and street performers hustling hard for that tourist euros. The problem is it's overpriced and overhyped, but still gorgeous. It's the kind of place where someone will sketch your portrait while your pizza gets cold. Don't eat in the square. Walk 2 blocks out and keep an eyes out for the Fontana di Quattro Fumi, basically Banini showing off hard. Number 13 is Mouth of Truth. Put your hand in if you dare. This stone face is an ancient lie detector. Legends say if you stick your hand in and lie, it bites. The problem here is the line moves slowly, and let's face it, pun intended, it's kind of just a hole in a rock. You will wait 20 minutes for a photo that screams, Instagram made me do it. Combine it with a visit to Santa Maria in Cosmedin, right behind it. Hidden gem. Number 14 is Catacombs of San Sebastiano, the underground side of Rome. Thousands of skeletons, kilometers of tunnels. These aren't touristy haunted houses. They are real Christians' burial sites from the 3rd century. Claustrophobic? Maybe see this one out. Also, no photos are allowed inside. It's like if Indiana Jones and Tim Burton opened a church together. Wear sneakers, bring a sweater. It's always chilly down there. Tours are guided and worth it. Number 15 is the rooftop bars. End the day with a view and a sprit. You have walked 20,000 steps. You have earned it. Head to a rooftop bar and toast to surviving ancient stairs and modern cows. Great options, sir. Terrazza Baronmini if you want somewhere classy. Zoom Aroma if you want somewhere trendy. Les Etioles if you want a view of the Vatican. Don't forget, drinks are expensive in Rome. You are paying for the view. 18 euros for a cocktail, worth it if it comes with a Colosseum in the background and a cool breeze in your face. Go before sunset. Make a reservation. Dress decent. No socks with sandals like Yahoo boys. Please. So there you have it. 15 unforgettable, sometimes ridiculous, always awesome things to do in the eternal city of Rome. Imagine this. You are standing on Gianicolo Hills, the sun melting over terracotta rooftops. You've got gelato in one hand, a memory card full of Colosseum selfies in the other side. And your feet? Well, they hurt like hell, but your heart is full. Rome is not a city you just visit. It's a city that visits you back. It slaps you with history, hugs you with food, and occasionally scams you with 15 euros orange juice. But hey, that's amore, right? If this video gave you serious wanderlust, or even a chuckle, smash that like button like a Roman senator voting yes on Julius Caesar. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out our next adventure through Europe's most wide and wonderful cities. And drop a comment below. Which place are you dying to see first? Or have you been scammed by a tourist trap in Rome before? Tell us your horror story. We want the tea. Bonus tip. I call it the secret tip. Before you go, head to Ponte Umberto 1 around sunset. It's one of the most romantic cinematic view of St. Peter's Dome across the Tiber. No crowd, no cows, just Rome.